You are watching Kabinet, and in this video you'll learn how to make a reflector gun sight. First, the mounting for the gun sight has to be installed. Right there. Next, we are going to need some superglue. We also need the packaging. Take a pair of scissors and cut a narrow strip from the plastic blister. Cut the strip off straight and check its width. Take the superglue and dip the end of the strip into it. Now, carefully put it onto the mounting and let it dry at the correct angle. Take a nail clipper or a pair of scissors and carefully cut off the excess strip. And that's all there is to it. Enjoy the little extra detail on your model.